Hello, guys. Welcome you to the ALX Capital. Here we discuss some interesting topics about finance market, about price action. We discussed cryptocurrencies. We discussed forex. We discussed stock market. I give you my feedback, and I wanted to give you some edge on the market. I am on the cryptocurrency market since 2017. I have so many downfalls. I have so many like good days when I get really huge amount of money and I accumulate some knowledge and I want to share this knowledge with you. And I think this knowledge will be really helpful. You get some edge on the market, you get some profit, then you bring some like button, write some good comments or bad comment, and we can grow together. So yeah, first of all, I want to discuss Bitcoin because Bitcoin is like the main currency. Bitcoin is the like head of all crypto market, and when we understand in what kind of field and what kind of area Bitcoin are going, we always can get some edge, and we will use this edge. I give you some point of interest when you can open like long position or short position, or you can buy some Bitcoin to your spot. So yeah, let's go on and let's discuss with structure. So I integrate some smart money concepts, some Vyckoff, and I want to give you some real structure, not just like technical analysis. This like just this bullshit don't work. We need to go much deeper. So yeah, right now we are into 86,600 price range, and if we are discussing like and talking about Bitcoin right now, actually we are down from all-time high, right? Like 30%. In some case, we have like minus 36%. And I think overall, right now, it's not like like not the baddest moment to going into cryptocurrency, going into Bitcoin, because right now we are not into like this space where we are all-time high and all like people are trying to buy Bitcoin. And in this like area when everyone want to try and everyone want to buy Bitcoin, usually it's too late. Right now, I think it's good price. But if we talk about spot market, really right now 86,000, I think it's good price range to buy some Bitcoin. If we are talking about like margin trades, like short-term trades, we have some better point of interest when we can open like long position. We discussed long, we don't discuss short in this video. I tell you why a little bit later. Okay, so if we are looking to like really like not so aggressive, more conservative price range when we can open like long position, I think the good price range is 83,700, something like this. You can see I here have some like info. There will be really good risk reward ratio. Yes, so we need to understand when we put like stop loss, and in this risk reward ratio is really good. You can see it. So if we are asked about and talk about like the best of the best, in my mind, like interest points when we can open position, I think the best is something like this when we go into price range 81,000. Maybe we never see Bitcoin in this area, but if we go down, I will be ready. I have some like buy orders here and I will open some long position. But we need to be very skeptical, because if we go like down, if we go after this price range, like to the point where we can see like 78,000, but not like just candlesticks, not just like something like this. I will show you. Not like, not like, not like this. Look, if we make something like this, like candlestick, it's okay. It's just manipulation. We take some stop losses. Market do something like this very often. It's not about we're going much deeper. But if we see something like this with body, with in 4 hour time frame we see something like this, it will be really bad sign, because if we see something like this with like candle body, we go to like 75,000 or just 78,000, it will be bad signal. If we make something like this, we can easily go to the 68,000, and this will be like this bad scenario for us. So we need to look for this like area. $80,000 is very important zone. If we go down, it will be really bad for all cryptocurrencies. Okay, but where can we like fix? Where can we like get out some money? Like, okay, I opened some position in 84,000 zone. Okay, where is my like goal? I think first goal is like 92,000, and the second one is like 98,000. And after we need see something like this. If we see like some candle who is going about this zone, like 98,000, no, like 99,000. If we go with candle body upper, it will be good sign. Then mean when we like break some conservative structure and we starting to go and take all this highs, all this liquidity, you need to understand here is the big amount of stop loss. So many people open here some short position. And if we go out of this like bearish structure and going into like bullish structure, it will be like huge. And after we can see some very aggressive candlesticks. So you need to look around about those two zones, and you can open like shorts from the high, like from those points. But in my perspective, I prefer more going into the long position and buy position, because overall shorts are very often very aggressive and very like if we looking into like math perspective, we always see some downfalls in the shorting. Long positioning is more profitable, because markets usually always like getting bigger, because money supply is always getting bigger, and we need to understand when money goes in, if just this is not some bullshit stock or bullshit like cryptocurrency, it's always much more better longing and buying. But we need to always understand context. I don't talk about like this micro cap cryptocurrencies, it's different field. And yeah, guys, if we are talking about cryptocurrencies, it's very important to trade on like good exchanges like Bybit or BingX or WEEX, when you can deposit your cryptocurrencies or buy your cryptocurrencies, and then after you have like some profit, or if you want to withdraw, you can always do it. Because right now is so many like bullshit like exchanges when you deposit your money and then you can really withdraw, because it's like honeypot, you deposit and then like those people scam you. Those are like big cryptocurrency exchanges, and definitely you have some welcome bonuses. It's like up to $30,000. So if you are deposit like many thousands dollars, you can get some bonuses. And I want to show you one position right now. And we talk about like Solana, because I trade Solana, and I think it's very important to show you some reality, not just like blah 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 and I give you some information. No, I want to show you real case. And look, no bullshit experience. Like right now, we see I have minus $3,000, and you say, Anton, like minus 3,000, and what are you talking about, guys? Everything is okay. I want to show you like my previous like 30 days, and I will show you. Like you see, before I have some short position, I get some $3,000, like then I get some 400 bucks, and then I have 22,000 long position, and then I have some minus 10,000. It's actually was hedge short, and I like open and get this position in one time. So actually, I get like plus $50,000. So definitely I know what I'm talking about, and it's not just like gambling. And I want to show you some structure and what I open this trade. So let's go. Let's go to the charts. Right now, I am on the WEEX. Yeah, and you see, right now, from my perspective, about if we talking about analysis, like good price range when you can open like position, buy some Solana on your spot portfolio is 130. Like if we are going into like this position till like $190, here I accumulate my like position. You can see I have some limit orders. Yes, so if we go a little bit lower, if we go to the $122, I will open additional 300 Solana. And you can see like I don't, yeah, have some liquidity price, but it's don't will happen because if we break the structure and we go lower, I will be open some hedge short position. And I give like this all information in my like Telegram and all this like cryptocurrency exchanges Telegram. I will give into like link into description and the first comments on after like on this video. So guys, if you want more information, if you want to understand some logic, be welcome. Like first of all, subscribe to this channel, make some this ring bell. So next time when I create some video, you see my video, I will try upskill my English. I think I have good motivation to do it so I can get better information and better thoughts to you guys. And yeah, you need to be very careful with your risk and money management. And this is not some gambling, guys. You need to be really careful because otherwise, if you don't control, yeah, you can win sometimes, but in the end of it, you will always lose. And you can see, like, if price just go to like this, like $144, I will get like $20,000. But this is like my first this is just like first take profit. I think I will not sell all position, like maybe 30%. And after, I think I will go and try to close position on like 164 price range. I really see big potential in Solana. We can go to the structure on the coin market cap, and I will show you some details. First of all, I really like when we see like this big crash, first of all, in April, we just only go to the like $95. It's very important. And the most important, when like on October, like when every cryptocurrency like crash, you see, Solana just crashed a little bit, like top tier cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin, like Ethereum, we don't see like this price is like going minus 90%. So this is very huge sign like the market makers are working well and we have some really good liquidity. And right now we really are on like bottom. I really think we are on the bottom, and right now we can accumulate Solana so for the like long-term distribution, and then we can sell and get some really good profit. But it's not mean like we really can go to like this price like $92. Really, it can happen. So you need to understand this. If we are like into like this aggressive position, yeah, right now you can open some position, but the best like prices is $122, then 100 like 90, 100 like $11, and the best price from my perspective is $95. If we go to this price range, I will be really happy to get some additional liquidity for like cryptocurrency and going into Solana. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoy my thoughts. If I see some like buttons, if I see some comments, I will be really grateful for you guys, and I will make some next video. I will more talk about like specific details. Maybe we can go and see some liquidity map. Maybe we can go see some like price action, going into some order blocks, going into smart money, and I will try to give my knowledge. But first of all, I want to see your feedback because it's my first experience. I am not the best. English is not my native language, but anyway, I appreciate you, and let's go. Let's make this trading space much better with much more quality information, with much more edge on the market. So thank you. See you on the next video. Bye bye. Get some like, put some like. Okay. Thank you.